The Suzuki DR 750 Big holds a special place in motorcycle history as one of the world's first true large-capacity dual-sport bikes. Introduced in the late 1980s, this machine changed how riders viewed adventure motorcycles. At a time when most off-road bikes were small and underpowered, Suzuki took a bold step by creating a powerful single-cylinder bike designed for both highways and harsh desert terrain. This revolutionary idea laid the foundation for the modern adventure bike segment. Inspired by Dakar rally success, the DR 750 Big was heavily inspired by Suzuki's success in the Paris-Dakar rally. Its aggressive styling, tall stance, and massive fuel tank clearly reflected desert racing DNA. The unique, big, beak-style front fairing became an iconic design element and later influenced many adventure motorcycles that followed. This bike wasn't just built to look tough, it was engineered to survive long distances in extreme conditions. Powerful single-cylinder engine. At the heart of the Suzuki DR 750 Big was a 727cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder engine. This large displacement thumper produced strong low-end torque, making it ideal for off-road riding, gravel roads, and long touring routes. The engine was known for its reliability and simplicity, qualities that adventure riders value even today. While it didn't chase top speed, it delivered smooth and consistent power across a wide range of riding situations. Advanced technology for its time. For its era, the DR 750 Big featured impressive technology. Suzuki equipped it with Suzuki Advanced Cooling System (SACS), which used oil cooling alongside air cooling to manage engine temperatures efficiently. The bike also came with a balance shaft to reduce vibrations, making long rides more comfortable. These features helped the DR 750 Big stand out from other dual-sport motorcycles of the time. Chassis and suspension setup. The DR 750 Big was built on a strong steel frame designed to handle both on-road stability and off-road abuse. Long travel suspension at the front and rear allowed the bike to tackle rough terrain with confidence. Its 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel setup provided excellent control on dirt, sand, and rocky trails. Despite its size and weight, the bike felt surprisingly manageable for experienced riders. Large fuel tank for long adventures. One of the most distinctive features of the Suzuki DR 750 Big was its massive fuel tank. Designed for long desert stages, the large capacity allowed riders to cover long distances without worrying about fuel stops. This made the bike ideal for adventure touring and remote travel. The wide tank also contributed to the bike's bold and muscular appearance. On-road and off-road performance. On paved roads, the DR 750 Big offered stable handling and a comfortable upright riding position. It could cruise at highway speeds while carrying luggage, making it suitable for long journeys. Off-road, the bike proved its Dakar heritage with strong torque delivery and rugged durability. While it required skill due to its weight, it rewarded confident riders with impressive versatility. Evolution into the DR 800 Big. The success of the DR 750 Big led Suzuki to develop the DR 800 Big, which featured increased displacement and refinements. Together, these models established Suzuki as a pioneer in the adventure motorcycle world. Many riders consider the DR 750 Big as the original blueprint for modern adventure bikes. Legacy and collector appeal. Today, the Suzuki DR 750 Big is considered a classic and a collector's motorcycle. Its historical importance, unique design, and rugged character make it highly desirable among enthusiasts. Well-maintained examples are rare and respected for their durability even decades later. The DR